Hey guys, Sunny here. So, good morning everyone. It's Thursday, December the 10th, and today is the natural gas report at 10:30. Yesterday I posted a loss of about $850. As soon as 6 p.m. the market opened, the stock jumped, and after hours I had like a positive of 750 something dollars. So, I'm like, my analysis seems to be on spot. Natural gas was like oversold, so it was just coming back up, and this morning, sure enough, natural gas was up at around like 9 a.m. That's when I start trading, and yeah, at like around 8 a.m. It started to go down. It went towards the middle VWAP, and then came back up. So I opened my account positive today. As of now, I'm about $2,000 in profit. I sold some stock. I was like fully loaded yesterday. I had like 2,550 stocks yesterday. So this morning I sold 300, and then I have another sell order at like 20.97. It didn't quite reach that in when it hit the upper view of this morning, but as of now, on 5-minute chart, it's still keeping up above the EMA. So it's still looking good. Yeah, for some reason my computer is very slow. So on 5-minute chart, it's still above the EMA line. So uh, it's, it's still looking good, but as you can see, the MACD is about to cross over, and then on 1-minute chart, and it's like kind of going sideways. It's not very clear whether it's going up or down. So I'll just wait for it to go below this EMA line on the 5-minute chart, and then decide what to do, because I still have 2,250 shares. It's like I would ideally like to have 1,200, 1,000 to 1,200 of this stock, so that I have extra funds to manage. But yesterday I sort of like got carried away, because I was like so adamant about my analysis that natural gas eventually will go up, and so I just kept adding while it was going down. So I mean, that's not the right thing to do, but I don't know, my instincts got kicked in or something. I still have to unlearn a few things that I learned the wrong way. I'm like, it's just how it is. Uh, most of the resources available online, they are not taught by pros. They are taught by amateurs like me. You know, I still consider myself like you know, a beginner trader. I don't consider myself a pro yet, at least. Because I still make mistakes. I still am not rational. I don't know if anybody can be pro, but I'm sure I can be an intermediate trader. So that's my goal for now. All right. Given that, we'll see how things go today. There is like a large draw for natural gas. It's been predicted that about 80 billion cubic feet of gas has been withdrawn as of last week. So each Thursday they release a report of the previous week. So the draw reflects uh, the consumption of the previous week. So when 80 billion cubic feet withdrawal is, it sounds like a bullish for natural gas, and it's more than average. So that's another factor benefiting natural gas prices. It looks like it's beginning to go down, go below the GMA line, and the MACD is pretty high on 5-minute chart. I have my sell already. I'll sell 250. It could still go up, but based on the conditions now, you know, it's more the probability of going down is more now. It's 2070. I'm putting 2070 because like that's how the bid and ask was. When I put my order in, it was like 20.71, so I thought I'll get filled at 20.70. But as soon as I put my order in, it went down to 20.69. I'll just wait a little bit, and then I may have to cancel it and put another order at like a lower price. Alright, my order got filled. Sold 250 shares. So right now I have 2,000 shares left. I have still a lot more to sell, so if it goes up, I'll sell some more. But like right now it's in consolidation phase. It goes going sideways. I think all the traders are waiting for the natural gas report. And while the natural gas report is being released, I would like to reduce my position. I like to have some of BOIL because it being bullish. Um, I like to reduce my position. On the 5-minute chart, it's already crossed over. The MACD has already crossed over. On the other hand, on 1-minute chart, it's towards the oversold area. Let's see if it reaches this green SMA line, and then see if there is a bounce from that area. There's also the lower price channel at that area, so that's the reason I'm saying it could bounce. Right, it bounced back from that SMA line. It didn't quite touch it, but close. Now let's see if it continues to go up. And natural gas seems to be pretty bullish today. If you look at the 5-minute chart, it's been mostly above the EMA line. On the 1-minute chart, the MACD has already crossed over. So let's see if the 5-minute chart will follow. And right now we're looking at a bounce back from EMA line on the 1-minute chart. So it's at that EMA line right now. I have just some sell out already. And 10 minutes to 9 minutes to the EIA report. Yeah, it's looking like it's bouncing back from the EMA line. The other thing to keep in mind is, natural gas as of now is like sort of like an oversold area. So yeah, it's another reason for me to believe after the report it might go up. Hydro low prices, so yeah, it might go up a bit. And I just broke below the EMA. All right, 3 minutes to the report. I'm gonna have my bar ready in case the prices dips below. Yeah, let's see. 1 minute to the report. 10 seconds. Okay, it's going up. Let's see if my 150 gets sold. Alright, sold. Another 200 sold at 21.47. 100. Another 100 sold at 21.80, and while the prices were at 21.82, 21.83. Yeah, not very good execution. Let's sell another 50. Alright. I have 500 order ready in case it starts to come down. Let's see if we can make it to 22. Still going up. If it goes to 2.58, I'm selling everything. Looks like it's bouncing back from the top VWAP. Sell 200 more at 21.90. Yeah, I'm not sure it's gonna get filled, but I'll just put my order in there. Yeah, so if you look at the 1 hour chart, there's the green SMA line at 2.58. Yeah, like 2.58, 2.59. Yeah, the draw was like 91. That is like very bullish. You know, like according to the survey, it's gonna be about 80 draw of 80 BCF, but the actual report says 91. So that is like very bullish. So and it could like help the natural gas prices recover some, you know. Alright, so I have like 1500 shares right now, and I'm sort of like comfortable with that. It looks like it's gonna come down, so I'm gonna sell another 100. Maybe not. So selling another 100 at 21.78. Alright, sold. I still have 200 to sell at 21.90. Now that I'm kind of sure about the direction. It looks very bullish on, although on 20-day 1 hour chart, it's showing it's in overbought area. But this hydra could be a catalyst for natural gas prices. Uh, Alright, so another 200 at 21.90. Oh, it's already went over 22, so I'm gonna sell 200 more. Alright, sold. Wow, extremely bullish. Okay, it's reached 2.58, so I'm gonna sell another 200. Alright, 140 sold out of 200. Alright, all sold. Yeah, if you see the 20-day 1 hour chart, it's approaching the green SMA line. So yeah, I think it's time for me to sell basically everything. So I'm gonna sell them in chunks, just in case. 22.43. Sometimes if the order size is too much, either it gets pushed to the back, and then it takes time for it to execute. And it could still go up, but I don't know for sure, so I'm just gonna sell some more at it's reached it's like almost touching the green SMA line on 20-day 1 hour chart. So yeah, I mean, it's a good place to sell. I mean, the prices could still go up, but the chances of it going up diminishes as the prices go up. I still have 200 to sell at 20.38. So my position size right now is 400, so I can sell 200 more. And as you can see, it's starting to come down. Alright, 200 sold at 22.7. It's unlikely that's gonna go back to 22.38, so it's gonna cancel this one and sell another 200 at let's say. Yeah, I think I should get rid of it. Alright, sold. Alright guys, so everything sold. I don't have any open position left, you know. Cold sold, boiled sold, and yeah, I mean, it could go up, down, I don't know. I just run with my profit. So today I made $4,435, but Monday I lost $1,200. Tuesday I made 910. Yesterday I lost 850. So I would say I'm kind of like I made back my losses for the week, plus some. There's only one day left, Friday. So my profits for this week isn't going to be large, but I looks like I'll still end the week in profit. So that's good enough for me. Given how I traded last 3 days, I'm content with the outcome. And due to the report, it went up, but if there was like I would say if it was like just 10 BCF less draw, it would have been a little bit different. I mean, I wouldn't probably make this much profit, you know. But yeah, I mean, so it's a good idea to do technical analysis, but it's also helps to do some fundamental analysis. And just trading one stock takes up so much time. That's why I just focus on one stock, one future of natural gas, and that's it. I'm able to find details about fundamental analysis online, and I study just one chart. And like if you just have like one chart in mind, it kind of like you remember the chart, and you will know how it moves. And where's the VWAP, where is the SMA. If you have this in your mind, it's very easy to predict what's more likely to happen. I say what's more likely to happen because I don't know for sure that things will happen as I think it would happen. It's like probability. There is a chance of something happening. The chance is only 20%. But it can still happen. There's a chance. For it to happen. But as traders, uh, the we trade the thing that has higher probability. Alright, so the stock came down to about 22. It looks like it's at the EMA line and it's trying to bounce. So let's see if it's gonna bounce from there. I mean, if you look at any chart, in all charts, like 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart, 1 hour chart, it's an oversold area. Sorry, overbought area. So it was just a wise thing to do to exit. And it could push up a little bit more, but I mean, on 1 minute chart, on 5 minute chart, the MACD is like extremely high compared to past. Compared all the way to Friday. and even in 1 minute chart it's like as high as it can be. So yeah, so what can happen from here? So from here either it can consolidate sideways, because the natural gas report has already been released. There is no other significant event that could affect the prices. So either it could go sideways, or it will the prices will rebound meaning it will uh, try to go back to normal trading, meaning it will go down from here. Like the prices always between the seller and buyers, the prices always wants to be in the middle, the equilibrium. So the price is to the high side right now, so most likely uh, it's more likely that it will come down a bit, where I will add to my position, or it will go sideways. So I'm just gonna let it play out a little bit and then see what happens in like maybe half an hour or so. you know uh, so like for the most part, I won't trade much today. I'll mostly watch. If I trade, I'll probably trade boil, and I won't trade more than, yeah, I'll start with like uh, uh, maybe like 100 200 shares, but I'd like to just keep 500 shares, at most. Might go, yeah, I'll just stay, I'll just keep control today on myself and just trade with 500 shares. So no more than that. And like as of now I have made 8.69%. So I'll just see, might not even trade. If a good opportunity presents itself, for example, if the prices come back to this middle VWAP area, or this green SMA line, I'll add some to my position. So you can see on 1 minute chart, the EMA line has already crossed over. On 5 minute chart it's very high. The MACD RSI is in overbought area, and it already bounced once from the EMA line, but it made a lot lower high. So that doesn't give me confidence that natural gas prices will continue to go up. If you like didn't exit, now is like a good time to exit as well, because it bounced back from the EMA line, but it's at the upper price channel. I mean, like things could still be different than what I say, but that's what is more likely. Like it could still continue to climb, but the chances of that happening is a lot less. And it's always good to take profits. That as I learned from yesterday, the prices went up, and I was thinking it might continue to climb, but then all of a sudden it turned direction, and I was up yesterday $1,500, 1,550 something, and then I went down 800. So that's like a change of $2,300 from the top of my account. You know, it looks like natural gas is very bullish. It's continuing to go up. Yeah, the natural gas seems very bullish, so it looks like from here it might just go sideways. 2.58, 2.6, like still on the high side for the prices of natural gas, but we should keep in mind that it's winter time as well. So, and the peak winter will arrive late December, January. January, February are the coldest months. So, given that the natural gas prices could still go higher. Guys, I still don't have any shares, so yeah, I mean, most likely it's gonna go sideways. But yeah, I'll be watching it all day, and I will make another video in the evening, update my profits. Hopefully I'll be able to keep my profits for today, and I will try to not trade today anymore. But if there's a good opportunity, I might trade with a small size, not as big as I had this morning. I mean, I was pretty confident that it went up. It was gonna go up, but for any reason it could have gone down. And with that big position size, my losses would have been bigger as well. So we have to protect the downside when we are trading. So I don't recommend trading with large size. And as you can see, it's kind of like moving slow. So that's another indication not much is happening. And mostly it's gonna go sideways. It's definitely bullish. Like it's still going up, but it could be like the second attempt to push the prices up, and then from here it just goes down. MSCI is still high for 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart, and a 1 hour chart. Yeah, I mean it's if you didn't take profit yet, it's definitely the time to take profits. I'm kind of tempted to take a position in cold, but I'll um, just not do it because like things could go either way. I'm just gonna try to take the time to calm down. This event is like the natural gas report release event is kind of like exciting, nerve-wracking at the same time. So today was like more on the exciting side. So I need to like calm myself down a little bit. And it still looks very bullish. So and like this week is also sort of like on the colder side. So next week's report might still show a draw. Like now, how much draw I don't know, but it still could be a pretty big draw, and that could push the natural gas prices even higher. Alright, guys, it was fun trading natural gas this morning. I will update you with my trades in the evening. Um, Good luck if you're trading natural gas today. Natural gas prices have jumped quite a bit, so I would suggest taking precaution in your position size and the direction of the trade. Good luck and take care. I will catch up with you in the evening. Bye for now.